Have you ever wondered how you could get much more accurate buy and sell signals just by combining two simple indicators? In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how RSI and the Parabolic SAR work together to help you avoid false signals and catch stronger moves. And here's the best part. At the end, I'll share one extra pro tip you can use right away to filter out even more noise and boost your win rate. So stay with me until the end. What is RSI? Alright, first let's quickly talk about RSI, the Relative Strength Index. It's a momentum oscillator that measures the speed and strength of a recent price movements. When RSI goes above 70, it typically means the market is overbought and could be due for a pullback. When it drops below 30, it suggests the market is oversold and might be ready to bonus. What is Parabolic SAR? Now, Parabolic SAR is a trend-following indicator that shows up as dots on the chart. If the dots are above the price, it means the market is in a downtrend. If they're below the price, the market is in uptrend. It helps us filter out fake signals from RSI and understand the main market trend. How to combine RSI and Parabolic SAR for buy signals? So here's exactly when you want to look for a buy setup. RSI moves below 30 and then starts crossing back up. This tells you that the market was oversold and now buyers are stepping in. It's the early sign of potential upward momentum. At the same time, the Parabolic SAR dots switch below the price. This shows that a new uptrend may be starting and confirms the reversal signal. When you see both of these conditions happening together, RSI crossing up from below 30 and Parabolic SAR dots appears under the price, you get a much stronger signal to consider entering a buy trade. This combination helps you avoid jumping in too early and gives you extra confirmation that the trend is really shifting. How to combine RSI and Parabolic SAR for sell signals? So here's exactly when you want to look for a sale setup. RSI moves above 70 and then it starts crossing back down. This tells you that the market was overbought and now sellers are stepping in. It's the early sign of potential downward momentum. At the same time, the Parabolic SAR dots switch above the price. This shows that the new downtrend may be starting and confirm the reversal signal. When you see both of these conditions happening together, RSI crossing down from 70 and Parabolic SAR dots appearing above the price, you get a much stronger signal to consider entering a sales trade. This combination helps you avoid false signals and give you extra confirmation that the trend is really reversing. Real trade example. Let me show you a quick real example. This is Tesla in July 2024. Right here, you can see the RSI move into the overbought zone and then crossed back below the 70 level, signaling that the bullish momentum was weakening. At the same time, the Parabolic SAR dots flip above the price, confirming that a potential downtrend was starting. Using these two signals together, you could have entered a sell trade and captured around a 30% move to the downside. The pro tip. Alright, here's the pro tip I promised you right at the beginning. You'll get even better results if you look for confluence with higher time frames. For example, if you're trading on 4-hour chart, take a look at daily RSI and Parabolic SAR first. When the daily RSI is already overbought and starts turning down, and the daily Parabolic SAR dots have flipped above the price, your sell signals on the 4-hour chart become much more reliable. This extra confirmation can help you avoid a lot of false breakouts and improve your win rate. And that's how you can use RSI and Parabolic SAR together to get clear signals and reduce false entries. If you found this helpful, Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss a strategy that could level up your trading. Happy trading!